everybody, this is Gan Li. Today I'm gonna demonstrate my Spring 3 work for my CS 361 assignment 9 integration. Basically, there's two parts in this video. Firstly, I'm gonna take you to do a quick tour regarding what I updated my library management system software. And then secondly, I will demonstrate how my individual project uses a teammates macroservice and connect the macroservice through local file. Okay, let's start. Basically, you can see all my code in this GitHub address, williamglcs.-361. To start my code, let me open two terminals. So I will run my own individual project in the first shell, and then run my teammates macroservice as a server in the second shell. So let me first start my library management system. So if you saw my previous video, you will notice that I updated a lot regarding this graphical user interface. I used the Python module tkinter, so it's much better than the past one. As you can see, here is the past one, how the past one looks. It's basically running in a shell. But now my code has own window, and the first function is view the book list, and then you can just click on whatever category you want to view, and then close this window. And here is how I add a book. You can type in the book's name, location, and then choose the categories, and then submit. You can also delete a book by simply put the index here. You can borrow a book by typing the index here. You can return a book by typing the index and then the location here, and then click submit. But those are all the same functions that I've already done in my minimum viable project. So let's check our new feature, the one I'm gonna use my teammates macroservice. Of course, if you pay attention, you'll notice that I haven't initialized my teammates macroservice yet. So let's try what is gonna happen if I didn't initialize this macroservice. Hola. So I will remind you that this is arrow. The random number generator macroservice is now initiated. So I close this window. I run my teammates random number generator, and then I can try to use this feature again. As you can see, it generates a new index 25, and 25 is over here, and then here is the book information about 25. Let's do it again. So a new number 30 is generated, and then all the books information of book index 30 is popped up. And then let's try the third time. So this time is 21. So the logic behind this is, after I click the new feature random recommendation, my library software send a signal to the my user's macroservice. This signal also contains the total book number, so that the macroservice know what is the range to generate, and then it will randomly generate a number as an index, and then return that index to my library system, and then my library system will read my books JSON file, and then print out the related information here. that's pretty much about my individual project and how it's using my teammates microservice and how my teammates microservice and my own project are running in two different terminals. Thank you for watching. All right.